Right, good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to another Done and Plan video. Today is Sunday the 10th of March and we're just getting ready and we're heading off to the zoo to see Finland's only polar bear. Normally I'm not really keen on zoos, but like this one, it looks really good. It's like full sustainable and like they care about the animals. It's not like a money making thing. So we're going to see polar bear, Arctic fox, and then see what the day brings. Just got some fruit I'm taking with us for the day. Look at this place, man. I still can't get over this is where we're staying. Absolutely beautiful. Lodge number 11. There's quite a few. And then they've got like riverside apartments down there. And then these ones here, like huge like chalets, and they've got like, one's got 6 bedrooms, one's got 5, and then they've got another one like over there that's got 4 bedrooms. So it would be brilliant if you were coming here with like a big group or coming here for an event and all staying in the one place. It's amazing. But now let's head off and start our day. Right, so we're in the car, we're about to set off now. So far we've done 1,223 kilometers. Let's head off. Just stopped here, this little pull-in. For no reason, just having a little look around. Just stopped for a little bit of fruit. Cheers guys. What a beautiful place. Finland is incredible. We've arrived at the zoo, which is located here from Rovaniemi. I've got to say, I hate seeing birds in a zoo. Like, I don't like zoos anyway, but birds in a zoo is like, it's the worst. Like other animals, you're like, yeah, okay, they're probably having a better life than they would in the wild, and a lot of them wouldn't survive in the wild, but birds, I think, birds should be free. There he is. Finland's only polar bear. Do you see him? Look at these. Look at this. Oh, he's having a pee. These wolves are beautiful. But Pam's just set the brown bears out, so I'm going to quickly go back round and see it. Look at them just pacing there. Pretty nice here. It looks like they're well looked after mind. So they've got moose horns, white-tailed deer, and then reindeer. And you can get your pictures taken with them. There's a little fire area over there, and Pam's found a reindeer. He's seen better days, this guy.
Look at big sharp nail hanging out.
So, look at him. And at 2 o'clock, there's the Arctic fox feeding. So we're going to make sure, oh Christ, we're going to make sure we get round for that. We've got 6 enclosures to do in 15 minutes and then see that feeding.
Suomalaisia. 2 by digging holes under the snow and under the ground, and they are able to survive in those conditions. Good that it has to kind of try.
That's it, we've seen the little Arctic foxes have their food. They were so cute, but where we were stood, it wasn't like the best. It wasn't like the best place to see them, but still, how cute were they? Now we're just back at the exit. Now with your ticket, you can go through as many times as you want, unlimited entries. But I think we're gonna see what's around and head back on the road. Beautiful zoo though. Seen these Fatsa Easter eggs before. It's like a real eggshell with chocolate inside. Also, this Heartwall drink, this is the pineapple flavour, but it's absolutely incredible. So we've just stopped here for absolutely no reason other than I need to take a leak. But look at the sky. Can you believe this is happening right now? Right, we've just pulled back up in Rovaniemi for sunset. Look at the sky behind us. The clouds have come in a little, which is typical. Every time it gets dark here, it's cloudy. Like the drive over, I thought, oh wow, we're definitely getting the lights tonight with how it was, but you never know. Then we'll check what's a little bit further west, cloud-wise. But we're just walking for sunset now. Look at this. This is where we're heading. And this is where we are. This is where we're walking up to the observation deck. I just slipped. Look at that sunset popping up through there. Just caught all that on time lapse on the drone. Whew. Just walking down. That is a sunset though. What an insane sunset. Now we need these clouds to peace out and get the lights. Oh. Right, we're down now. Look at that. Last bit of sunset. Whew. Right, we've just come for a look inside Prisma. This shop has literally got everything. Look, over there, there's skis. Like, come to a supermarket and buy skis. Like, look, when you come to Lapland, you're like, oh, I forgot my frisbee. Don't worry about it, I've got you covered. There's a whole aisle of frisbees. Look at this, just camping equipment for days. This shop is epic. Summit to eat. Look at all these ration packs. I definitely want to get into this, like go wild camping and try these meal rations. Look at the size of these apples. What? I'm gonna buy it. Get that, look at the pears. There's my apple I'm getting. Look at the pears. A section in the supermarket just for rye bread. Look. Just rye bread. Look at all of this. And then more there. So everywhere we've been, they've had these little biscuits. Pam's going to hold them up. These little asses. But they're so good, so we're going to buy a bag. Prisma, done. It was
Do you want one?
no thanks. Pam's in the S biscuits now. Are they the same?
They are the best I've ever had in my life.
Yeah.
There's nothing more to them than they're like a little shortbread with a little bit of sugar. But the taste of lemons, your mum's gonna love these.
And I'm just eating me Finnish apple.
€2.
Right, next supermarket, Mini Money. Let's go. There's a 24-hour laundrette inside Mini Money. If you ever find yourself desperate to wash your ski clothes or winter clothes, Mini Money. Look at that, just for sale in the supermarket. I'd love to go do a wild camp for a couple of days with a power bank like that and just go total off-grid. Obviously record videos and edit them at a later date. Oh, you know what? I've came to Lapland and I forgot me frisbee. Never mind, because there's another shop with them in. Just snowsuits, huge carabiners. That must be for rock climbing, is it? Nokia wellies. That's insane. Actual Fruit Loops. They've got so much choice of everything. Look, this is a supermarket in Lapland. An aisle just for pickles and pickled goods. Look. Reindeer in a can. If anyone from Visit Finland or Visit Lapland watches my videos, please get me back here as soon as you can. Please. I'll do any kind of video you want. There's Pam's favourite cheese. All the money. Where's Pam? Is she just looking at the cheeses? Oh. It's no wonder Finland gets voted happiest country all the time. They've got like incredible nature, beautiful country, all of these sweets to choose. It's obvious why they're the happiest country. Look, use this to kick. Use the tree. Use the tree. Wave.